Dangers of building a relationship without friendship. There are dangers among many others when you try building a relationship with someone without going through the friendship stage. And what are these dangers? Before I go deep with this, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable relationship-related videos. Now, let's read on. Pretense. When two unknown individuals start a relationship, chances are that there will be involvement of pretense. These are those who see relationship as an avenue for getting to know each other, testing each other out, to know if both are compatible. When these individuals start a relationship, you will hardly see them disagree or have misunderstandings. Whatever one partner agrees with, the other partner agrees with, even if it causes inconveniences and discomfort. Why? Pretense. When partner A does anything that angers partner B, the partner B, instead of voicing out what partner A did, will keep it to himself or herself, even if it's unbearable, painful, or hurtful. Why? Pretense. Partner B does not want to voice out just so to avoid upsetting or losing partner A. You can't truly know the real identity of someone by being directly in a relationship with them, without passing through the friendship stage. You will never know the little things they can't tolerate. Although, they will tolerate them now that they are still in a fresh relationship with you. But a time will come when they will no longer be able to tolerate them. Then, you will start saying, "My partner has changed." The truth is, your partner has not really changed. He only pretended to be okay with them when you were doing them to him or her. Now that you both have gone too deep to turn back, he or she will start unveiling his or her real self. At that moment, never make the mistake to think your partner has changed. Your partner only pretended from the beginning. This is why building your relationship from friendship stage cannot be overemphasized. However, I want you to put this at the back of your mind, that just because it started from a friendship level doesn't mean one or both parties can't fake it or pretend to be who they are not. So, in order to prevent falling victim, whenever you want to start a friendship with someone you're interested in, never make it obvious from the beginning that you are also interested in being in a relationship with them. That is, just make it casual. Do you know why? That is because the moment the other person knows your intention from the beginning, chances are that he or she will try to put on a pretense and be faked. You must be extremely careful. So, it's not enough to start with friendship, you must ensure to never make your intention known from the beginning. In this way, you will get to know the real person you're dealing with. 2. Lies. Partners who start a relationship without going through the friendship stage tend to lie a lot. They lie about their family background, the job they do, their age, their attitudes, habits, or behaviors, the amount they earn, the place of their abode, etc. A lot of them have a fake lifestyle. They borrow clothes and shoes to wear in order to impress each other. They buy big phones on credit to impress each other. Some, in order to maintain their fake lifestyle, have resorted to stealing, armed robbery, and kidnapping for ransom. Everything about many of them is fake and untrue. Fake identity, fake abode, fake family members, fake institution, fake lifestyle, fake spending and buying, fake age, etc. They fake any and everything fakeable, pardon my wrong use of grammar. Reasons why you must allow friendship before relationship. Some of the good reasons to start with friendship before relationship are: it will save you from unnecessary troubles and problems. It will save you from unnecessary headaches. It will save you from unnecessary heartbreaks. It will save you from unnecessary emotional pains and traumas. It will save you from unnecessary sleepless nights over the wrong person. Your text goes here. It will save you from unnecessary committing suicide as a result of heartbreak or breakup. It will save you from unnecessary stress and depression. It will save your self-concept, self-esteem, self-image, self-ideal, self-worth from being tampered with. It will save you from unnecessary prayer requests over the wrong person. It will save you from unnecessary wasting of your time, energy, and life. It will save you from unnecessary yoke, bondage, and being caged with the wrong person. It will save you from unnecessary regrets and biting your fingers over the wrong person. I can just keep talking and talking, but, however, friendship before relationship will save you from a whole lot of unnecessary things you may never have imagined. In a nutshell, when you start with friendship without making your intention known from the beginning that you are also interested for a relationship, you will be in a position to be better able to know this person really well. You know why? That's because there won't be a cause to want to impress anyone, or fake it. Everyone will just be at his or her own best way, no faking, no trying to impress whosoever. At this stage, you can then start asking yourself, while you're observing, can I cope with this person? Can I deal with his or her person? Does he or she aligns with someone I picture? Does his or her values, beliefs, ideologies, faith, and perspectives align with mine? Do we share common interests and hobbies? Are we compatible mentally, financially, spiritually, emotionally, medically, and psychologically? I've made a video about this compatibility of a thing. Check on the description box below for the link to the video, titled, 7 Kinds of Compatibility. So, it's not advisable to build a relationship with someone without allowing the space for friendship. Allowing friendship will save you a whole lots of stress. I hope this video blesses you. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to our channel for more impactful and educational relationship-related videos. See you in our next video.